Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the keyboard of Lenovo Thinkpad E495. Just follow the instructions below and let's get started. So here we're going to use a screwdriver and another laptop disassembling tool, the pry bar. To do this, remove the screws and push the keyboard upward. So let's get started. So first, remove the mouse buttons. Okay. Next, the other one. Okay. Also remove. Then let's use this Phillips screwdriver and remove the two screws. So loosen up those two screws, and then after we push the keyboard upward. Push it upward and then remove the keyboard. Okay. Okay, so now you can see the ribbons. You just have to unlock and remove the locks. Okay, simple as that. This is the lock. Okay, so we totally remove the keyboard. So I have here the new replacement. So this is the replacement for the old keyboard. Okay. So now we have to attach the touchpad, ribbon, flex, and the keyboard flex. So we have to remove the plastic. Okay. So first, attach the touchpad flex. This one to this and this one to this. Then lock, and the other one. Okay, once it's attached, you can put the keyboard on. So just push it up like this all the way on the top. Okay, there, and then slide it downward. Okay, and press on the side. Okay, so that's it. There, it snaps and locks. Okay, now remove the mouse buttons using the pry bar tool. Lock the screws using our screwdriver. Then finally, return the mouse buttons again. So everything is in place. That's it.